united. The importance of unity in Islam. Brothers and sisters, based on the Quranic verse I recited just now, it is important for all Muslims to be united. The concept of mutual understanding and unity among Muslims are of very high value. As a Muslim, it is our duty to completely submit ourselves to the orders of Allah Almighty. Today, Islam is the second largest religion in the world, an estimated of 1.8 billion or more than 24% of the world population identify themselves as Muslim. In the eyes of Allah Almighty, all Muslims are equal and no superiority is given to anyone on the basis of color, caste, and creed. However, in spite of such a great number of followers of this religion, Muslims are suffering. My dear brothers and sisters, why do our Muslim brothers still suffer all over the world? Why do our Muslim brother and either China are prohibited to practice their own belief? Why do our children in Syria have to be refugee to save their lives? The main reason behind this is that there is no unity among Muslims. We were ratified each other instead of united and humble ummah. That is why all Muslims around the world are so easily made of prey. Brothers and sisters, our Prophet Muhammad SAW has spoken to say, مثل المؤمنين في توادهم وتراحمهم وتعاطفهم مثل الجسد إذا اشتكى منه عضو تداعى له سائر الجسد بالسهر والحمى. The believers in their mutual love, compassion, and sympathy are like a single body. If one of these organs suffers, the whole body will respond to it with sympathy and humor. From this hadith, Muhammad SAW has compared community with human body. According to him, all Muslims are like one body. When even the single part of human body suffers for any reason, the restlessness is felt in all the parts of body. This presence relate quality among Muslims make compulsory for all Muslims to respect and care about the well-being of their Muslim brother. Quran says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون. صدق الله العظيم. The believers are like brothers to one another. So promote peace and reconciliation among them, and fear Allah that you may receive mercy. Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 10. Brothers and sisters, as a conclusion, the unity among Muslims are essential for the good of each Muslim in this world. In the absence of unity